All right, today I have Pantene Pro-V shampoo and conditioner. Now I'm going to talk to you about how I use these two products and what my experience was with using Pantene Pro-V shampoo and conditioner. Shampoo right here and conditioner. All right, Pantene Pro-V is a well-known brand, very popular. It's known for producing a great product that leaves your hair looking very, very healthy. Now, before we get started, it's very important to know that you should read the instructions and abide by them before using this product, as well as knowing that Pantene Pro-V has a wide variety of products meant for your particular type of hair. This right here is meant for people with straight hair. They also have a Pantene Pro-V, which is formulated for people with curly hair. Now, with that said, let me get started with how I use this particular product and what my experience was with using Pantene Pro-V. Now, when I'm using Pantene Pro-V, I use it while I'm taking a shower. I wet my hair, and then I pour some of the product into my hand, lather it within my hand, and massage it inside of my hair. Now, when I'm gently massaging it in my hair, I work my way from the roots all the way to the ends, and I also wash my beard with this particular product. Now, when I'm washing my hair, I'm making sure I'm massaging, releasing the dirt, oil, and grime, releasing it, loosening it up, and then rinsing it, as well as rinsing the Pantene Pro-V from my hair, ridding it all from all the dirt, grease, and grime as it goes down the drain. Now, after I've rinsed my hair thoroughly, rinsed all of the Pantene Pro-V shampoo out of my hair, I set this to the side, and then I go on to condition my hair. Now, when I'm conditioning my hair, I typically use the same process as I did when I was washing my hair with a slight twist to it. So, once I rinse out the shampoo from my hair, I simply take the Pantene Pro-V, put this into my hand, the conditioner, and massage this into my hair, starting with the roots and working my way to the ends, and do the same process with my beard. Now, once I've massaged this into my hair, I will let this sit in my hair for about 2 minutes while I'm in the shower before rinsing. Now, the reason why I do that, it gives the time for the conditioner to actually do its magic, which is repair the hair and condition it for the day. Now, once I've waited about 2 minutes after doing this, I'll typically rinse this out, rinse it, letting it go down to the drain, and then when I'm done showering, I get out and dry my hair, and it leaves my hair nice looking, healthy looking, and easier to manage. Now, this is my experience with Pantene Pro-V shampoo and conditioner. I hope this video was helpful for you. It gives you a nice guidance, but it's very important that you actually read the instructions, directions yourself before using this product or any product. I hope this was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.